Hey, it's one of those days. You felt that hard press, and you took all that time just to get on, after I formatted and tried everything just to get you to quickly go on. Every single time I grabbed the DJI Action 3. That is what happens. I want to be with the big wigs. Oh yeah, the Sony ZV-E1. I gotta spend well over $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and I have to have another camera that's better than the E1 just to talk about that camera. Well, I shine pretty with my camera. Oh yes, indeed. It is one of the best cameras in the world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world of the littlest YouTube channel of the world that has the best camera I own for me in my budget. And it ain't a Sony E1. What's a Sony E1? It's called the Sony ZV-E1. And everybody calls it a Sony ZV-E1 Pro, a Sony EZV-Y-do-Y. I don't get all the hype because it's just a camera to me. I don't do professional stuff with it and take shots. I do videos. Oh, it's the best video camera in the market. I agree with him, man. I agree with him 100%. Talk schmack about anything. You may get some, hype stuff over here, comments and all. And yeah, I got a comment today. Oh, give me a drone. I want a drone. Here you go. Here's your drone. Take it. Open up. Just grab in through the camera. You got your drone. You'll never see that person. You'll never see that person ever again. Only came once to make his comment. Off they go. Prove me wrong. Come back. See if you watch this video. Did you say, I want your drone? Yeah, take that little nanobot. He's there for you. Oh man, I'm gonna lay the sauce on thick. I don't say things like that, sauce. But I'm gonna lay the accent on real thick. And you'll get the idea of my channel and who I am, and I hope you enjoy what you see and like. Gotta be a way to wipe some things out. Just take those ones off without damaging this. I ain't gonna worry about that, man. It is what it is. What the hell just happened, man? I saw the camera just, stay on. It didn't shut off. I shut it off. And then I see the plus and they go, good, snaps right back in. I don't get you at times. Didn't I say that at the beginning of the video? Turn around. I'm just not in the mood, man. I'm just don't feel it. I'm heading back. Edit what I got. Share it to the world. And nobody knows what I said. You got something. Use it. Don't abuse it. And you're going to see a lot of that. They got to get it out. And now it's out. What are you going to do? Go buy one? No way. I'm smart enough to use what I got. And I'm still holding off. And we're not even a halfway there. We're a third way there. And yet, to see any truth of what some people are saying about. Ah, the peace, the quiet, and the wind. Yeah, I gotta do some cleaning up. I gotta clean up some stuff. I don't know if I want to start fresh again. I have to do it one day. I just don't love the net, how it's slowed down. Something's gotta be on it. Nah, it's the cable, man. Cable's slowing things down. Well, I said my lots. I did my lots. I'll talk my lots. I'm gonna have some locks. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come.